All right, so we just finished the project in Charleston, sort of wrapped up the block. And now, well, I'm about to take off and start a whole nother project. I can't tell you where I'm going, but maybe just by my outfit, you guys realize just how excited I am about getting started. Woohoo!
Hey guys, so it is the day that I'm heading to Wyoming, and I'm super excited about it. Got my tool belt, and I'm packing my bags. Doesn't everybody pack a tool belt and a curling iron?
Wait, hold on, here we go. It's the morning in Buffalo.
Buffalo mornings call for a little bit of caffeine.
So cute.
Morning! Hashtag hot buns.
Welcome to Buffalo. People say
Wow.
that's the best cinnamon roll I've
that's
ever
insane.
had. Oh my God.
Wow. We'll be seeing you again.
Okay, bye y'all.
So we're here in a place that you normally wouldn't expect us to be, which is City Hall. And no, we're not here to pay for a speeding ticket. But of course, to pull off all these miracles in the town, you really have to make sure it's signed off by everybody at City Hall. We're just really getting to know everybody. And by everybody, I mean everybody who's ever worked here at City Hall is right here.
So we're getting the tour of the Occidental Hotel.
So bar, clearly.
Yes, this is such a cool space. Word on the street is there's a bullet hole straight up. Look how cool this building is though, with the character. This is the type of thing that, you know, not every town has this.
So good. Okay, so we just came out of a meeting with, I mean, this is so incredible, like that this is happening.
I'm like invigorated. Like, look at this place, and I get
know.
it, right? I don't know about you, but like, I'm ready. Like,
I am too.
Wait.
What?
What about the mayor? I mean, I feel like he got a little bit emotional.
I think this means a lot to people, you know, and like it says a lot. The fact that they're okay with it being in our hands. Now we have to go kick some major butts. Buffalo butt. I mean, look at this. Look at the river. What?
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
We are so excited. We've got to get started. I mean, that meeting got me in the right mindset. What about you?
I'm ready to go. Let's ride this Buffalo.
Woo! Ty Pennington, ladies and gentlemen. Carpet ripper extraordinaire.
That's right.
Look how
Rip
different
it!
it already looks. What?
Grip it and rip it.
Look how different it already looks in here, though. It's so much lighter. I have no idea what's going on, but Ty.
Yeah. Yep.
Oh, do they?
Looking good.
There we go. Okay.
So
Day
guys,
one
day
is
one.
over.
By the way, look at this gorgeous sunset.
Yeah.
When it comes to demo, I'm just letting you know right now, we crushed it. And by crushing it, I mean we crushed it. We broke a sledgehammer. That's not easy to do. That's how bad we crushed it. Know this.
How's your body feel?
Also crushed. It's crushed, mangled, and splintered.